Hey guys! Today we bring you review of Osprey Farpoint 36-wheel travel pack, best rolling backpack. Osprey's hard-wearing Farpoint 36-wheel travel pack is an impressive rolling backpack. Carry-on compatible, the Farpoint 36 can be worn on the back or wheeled with a retractable handle and rugged spinner wheels. The Farpoint 36 backpack features a wide-opening zippered main compartment, front mesh pockets, padded top and side carry handles, and dual external buckles for added security. Importantly, the Farpoint 36 backpack is made of high-tenacity nylon material and has a durable chassis system with oversized spinner wheels that can handle rugged terrain. Suitable for trips large and small, the carry-on-friendly Osprey 36-wheel travel pack is a convenient storage option, durably designed for long-lasting use. Padded back panel and shoulder straps that may be stowed. Packing and unpacking is facilitated by the large front panel. Hard-wearing exterior chassis with extra-large wheels. Top and side exterior storage options are limited. Detaching carrying support can be cumbersome. Total weight of the backpack is considerable. Dual internal compression straps assist in securing and compacting the contents of the main compartment. When not in use, the padded air mesh shoulder straps and hip belt can be removed and stowed away. Let us know what you think about the Osprey Farpoint 36-wheel travel pack in the comments below. If you like it, so grab it now. Link in the description. If you buy from our provided link, you will get an extra discount. Go and get it.